Hi dears, today in my kitchen I have made chicken stew. Kerala style chicken stew is very mild yet full of flavors, which is cooked in coconut milk and with minimum spice. Let's start. All the measurement are here for the 1 kg chicken. First you have to crush few spices, that is 2 cinnamon stick 2-inch each, 3 cardamom pods and 10 cloves. Coarsely powder it. Even you can use a small mixie jar to do. In a cooker I have added 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, but you can add the oil of your choice, and I'm adding coarsely crushed spice powder. Saute this for 1 minute in a low flame. After 1 minute, add 2 inches of ginger finely chopped, and I'm adding 7 green chilies slit in between. You can add green chilies according to your spice, because we are not adding any chili powder or green chili further. Add curry leaves and saute it till the raw smell leaves. Now add 3 medium-sized onions, chopped long and thin, and add salt. Cover the lid and cook till the onion becomes soft. For me, stew making is always a pleasure to make. Not only the curry is delicious, but home is filled with aroma. Now add 1 kg of chicken. I'm adding 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. This adds good taste to the dish. I tried without adding tomatoes, but I prefer adding it. And 1 big potato chopped. And add 1 tablespoon of crushed peppers. Mix well. Here I am using the frozen coconut, but you can have a fresh coconut. Further in the video you need 2 cups of first coconut milk and 2 cups of second coconut milk. I have taken 3 cups of grated coconut, that is 275 grams. For first milk, I have added 2 cups of warm water and extracted 2 cups of first milk. And from extracted coconut, grated, again I have added 2 cups of warm water and extracted 2 cups of second milk. Add the second milk of a coconut in a cooker and cook the chicken. Let all the flavor blend in. Close the cooker lid and cook it till 2 whistles. After the pressure is released, then only open the cooker. Chicken is cooked perfectly, and this is the consistency you get. Now I am adding first extracted milk of coconut, that is first milk of coconut. Add salt to taste. Now I am making a slurry to give a thickness to the stew. From the first milk of coconut, I have taken 7 to 8 tablespoons of coconut milk. In that I have added 1 tablespoon of maida and mix it well. You can add more maida according to the thickness you need. Now add the slurry to get a good thickness. Close the lid and let it simmer. Till then, let's make a seasoning for the stew. I'm adding half teaspoon of mustard seed. When it's butter, add 5 dry red chili. It's a small one I'm using. And 1 inch of ginger chopped and 2 strands of curry leaves. And I'm adding 7 to 8 shallots. You can use onion instead of shallots. And fry it till the shallots become dark brown color. Add this seasoning into the simmering chicken stew. After adding first milk, no need to boil the stew, just simmer it so that all the flavor blend together and to get a perfect thickness by adding maida. Add the seasoning and switch off the flame and close the lid. Wait for 15 to 10 minutes. Now the beautiful scrumptious stew is ready to serve. You can have this with appam or bread. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.